Good evening. Tonight we're preparing baked pork spare ribs. And what I'm doing now is I'm cutting them into two bones, two ribs at a time. It's marinating for 2 days in teriyaki and orange juice, along with some orange slices. And we have the oven preheated at 350 degrees. And what the plan is, after baking for about an hour and 15 minutes, we are going to take the ribs and finish them off on the barbecue grill for a nice, crispy, tender taste. And once we get there, I'll demonstrate how they go into the barbecue. So now let's throw them in the oven, preheated at 350 degrees.
Ooh, that smells really good.
Okay, here's our ribs. We finished cooking them in the oven at 350 for approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now they're ready for the grill outside. Once again, our marinade is teriyaki with orange juice and orange slices. Okay, we are finishing up our ribs. I'm going to do one final basting before I take them off. It's absolutely delicious. They've been on the grill for about 12 to 15 minutes. They're ready to take off. And we added a few extra pieces of pineapple to go with that. Sweetens up the taste. And ready to be served.